Rotary Club of Orchid City, Shillong, Janviet Jonka Santrek Naitung, Pynthymmai, Nongkitkam Jonka, Jingilang, Pelong, Hotel Pinewood, Hakaniga Jingilang, Pynthymmai, Nongkitkam, Lawan Banidon Langdo, Dr. R.S. Thank you, Kumukong San, Nalor, Kiwi Kitkot, Jonka Rotary Club. Hakaniga Janviet, Rotary Club, Kalapendrung de Kotmaya, Arngot, Kirurangba, Bakantup Yuba Anthony War, Bat Usuja Banerjee. Hakaniga Jingilang, Lapan Kamti, how Dr. Manoj Sharma, Kumu President, Pynthymmai, the President Berim, Jonganiga Club Upangkach Kapur. Nalor Manoj Sharma, Ubadi President Pynthymmai, Lapan Kamti, how Uba Pedarias Shala, Kumu Vice President, Uvishal Amarnani, Kumu Secretary, Usahil Singla, Kumu Joint Secretary, Uba Anthony Lingdo, Kumu Treasurer, Lembat Kiwi. Hakaniga Janviet Layoru, Ikakana Linkon, Pat Kijing Batay, Kikatuka Nikikam, Kibaka Club, Kalapershang, Banle, the Dr. Debo Malia, Bian. Father Joseph Mapila Parampil, Ula Jinkren Halor Kapang, Banno Senyang Yakikman.
Thank you for making me live through this experience. You're doing a wonderful job. I think we can't replicate it. With 35 people, with a mission in the minds, with objectives, I can't say much actually. I didn't come prepared, but I have my own views about charity and charitable purposes. We go through that every day as a doctor. And sometimes what happens that, as it always comes down to charity starts at home. And every 35 and 37 of you now just reflects the sort of upbringing and about the amount of sacrifice. Because people who can't provide at home or be charitable at home can't be charitable outside. I believe in that concept. So the basic thing is that you have a family base that is amazing, that has the capability for each one of you to contribute to society in a positive manner. If you ask me whether I could be of help to you all, yes, I can do in my own profession, my own way of looking at charity. Helping this club would be a privilege for me. New president, who is always there beside me. And I must also, I don't know what else to say actually regarding, the society nowadays, what exactly, which, aspects of every person's life to touch through this institution. But for us, I think Dr. Sharma will do a good job to really reflect back at Dr. Pankaj's work, which has been amazing all these years. Most likely complete those and then sit down again on a drawing board and draw new objectives and new things for this club to achieve.